Hello YouTubers. So what we have today is a buckle replacement set, 9-piece buckle replacement set by Mil-Tec. And I figured I'd just do the unboxing and show you guys the contents. So let's lay all this out on the table. And so let's see if this thing focuses right. Contents: 150mm quick release buckle, 2x 25mm quick release buckles, 2x 20mm quick release buckles, and 2x 25mm ladder locks, and two cord locks. So here it is, cord locks. These are the 20mm quick release buckles. These are the 25, and this is the 50, and then two ladder locks right here. So this repair set is basically what I've been using for all my projects. This is the second one that I ordered. I figured I'd just do the unboxing here and show you guys what's in it, basically. So these buckles I'm going to use for my Alice Pack project, yeah, I need a set to repair these, or rather to replace them. Just so you know, just so I can show you, there they are. That was my medium Alice Pack with the replacement buckle right here. And for my Molly 2 rucks, for my storm flap, I basically used the cord locks. And the with the ladder locks, I believe these ones, I ended up asking the tailor to stitch them like so, just a simple stitch, so that I have two straps that basically I can lash sleep system together, or a sleeping pad or sleeping mat, I would say, actually. And yeah, and I guess this is just a quick video on this buckle repair set, showing you. I've been reviewing a bunch of things by Mil-Tec, I realized, and I figured I'd just include this one right here. I have not yet found a use for these smaller ones, but just spares. I've basically used everything else. I have an Alice hip belt that might need replacing with the big buckle as well, so I might end up using that. But yeah, I guess this was just a quick video showcasing this buckle replacement set, and it came pretty cheap. So yeah, what can I say? I never actually buy Mil-Tec stuff knowing that it's Mil-Tec, and there's several. I mean, the general kind of consensus that I've managed to gather from YouTube comments, etc., is not many people like this brand. But to be fair, they make quite a bit of stuff, and yeah, I end up just purchasing it and then finding out that it's by Mil-Tec. So yeah, it still does the job, and I think it's actually quite good. I quite like it. So yeah, I found the use for pretty much all of the stuff in here. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you found it useful. And yeah, basically see you on the next one.